Foshan Rongcheng Sanitary Wares Company Limited is a 26-year manufacturer of bathroom furniture in Foshan. 95% of products are for exporting. The whole factory covers above 50,000 square meters, 3 workshops with advanced types of equipment, and follows the latest management standards. Aosmay is a THD audited supplier. We are committed to using sustainable materials and processes whenever possible in every phase of our products, and most of our products are qualified for CE/UL/SAE BIS certification with guaranteed quality. Our powerful engineering team is willing to provide full solutions for your special designs, production, and packing. The professional sales team will offer you the appropriate opinions according to your target market demands, leading you to seize the market share in a short time. Furthermore, we are familiar with online sales supply with over 10 years of practical experience with Amazon and other online retailers. We offer free customized proposals for top picks analysis, product upgrades, packing amendments, after-sales guidance, etc. As the gold standard of bathroom mirror cabinet suppliers, Aosmay has built long-term partnerships with some well-known brands, wholesalers, and constructors all around the world. All of your trust in us is the main drive that keeps us going to meet and exceed our expectations. Welcome you to visit our factory and showroom in Foshan. Thank you.